Hello friends, so today we will see that how to access ChatGPT that has been making news all across world. It has been created by OpenAI and this is the OpenAI website. Now, in order to access ChatGPT, you need to go to the ChatGPT link. So this is their link. Now over here, it is going to ask you to either log in or sign up. I'm going to show you the whole sign up process. I already have an account, but I'm going to just create a new account. So in order to create a new account, you either need email address or you need your existing Google account. So let's just pick the existing Google account that we have. Now from this existing Google account, basically we need to set up some name. So I'll just set up the name Parth Vyas. And we also need to provide a phone number. Like the thing is, when we provide the phone number, it is going to ask you for a verification, and once you verify, then only you would be able to use it. Now, unlucky for us, I only have one single phone number, not more than that, so I won't be able to access this one. But I'm going to open another one where I already have the account. So once you do that, basically you need to go to chatgpt.com, and over here, basically, okay, it's asking me for login again. So let me just quickly log in. Yeah, that's it. So now we have been able to come to the ChatGPT. Basically, this is their UI, and you can do bunch of different cool things. Ask it to any kind of question. So let's just ask that write me a poem about Game of Thrones, and it started writing the poem that once upon a time in a land far far away lived great lords of ladies and Westeros and things blah blah blah. So which is really cool. And this is basically how you access ChatGPT. So currently it's completely free and you don't have to pay anything. All you need is a phone number and an email address and you're all set to go. I highly recommend to go ahead and try this out because this is really cool. It can show you, it can solve coding problems and things like that. So let's just ask to give us some more information regarding different coding problem. So what should we ask? Okay, we can ask that I want to learn Python. How can I do it? And let's see what it comes up as. Awesome. So it's showing the answer that if you want to learn Python, what software we need to install, what kind of things we need, what are the syntax we have to understand, and what are the additional communities we can go to. So let's just ask that suggest few communities. And see, it is also able to find some proper communities regarding Python, which is great. So yeah, this is how you can actually use ChatGPT. It is going to replace a lot of jobs in the future and everyone is worried about that. Well, currently I'm not worried about that. I'm more interested in what is happening in this new piece of technology. So I'm just enjoying it. Yeah, hope you like this video.